Okay, so the last one is death among our animals, whether it is livestock or our pets. Um, I'm getting more livestock and large animals that group together. Um, I feel they may have some kind of infection or something is going to kill large groups off. Or maybe you're driving down the street and you're like, oh my God, look at all those dead cows. Um, Something's going to happen that's going to make them die off. And I don't mean they're going to be extinct, but there's going to be some kind of issue where